Okay, my name's SC Johnson and I am an MT driver here in the Middle East. Okay, so my role supports the operations by giving the transport to personnel here. It can be going out onto the local roads, so we can be doing airport runs, hospital runs, or even embassy runs, as well as getting passengers to and from the aircraft and the crew. One of my tour highlights would be having the opportunity to go out into the local area. We got to see the different cultures and a different way of living, and some parts makes you appreciate actually what you have back home, which is what I'm going to take from that. My biggest challenge being deployed here would probably be op pitting. As some of you may be aware, it was very busy for us. It lasted over 2 weeks, long hours, doing it in weather over 50 degrees, also wearing a mask because we had to abide by COVID laws, and that was a struggle, yeah. So my role was literally doing the passenger crews. So we've taken the crews and the engineers to and from the aircrafts. There was a lot of landing, a lot of taking off. The flying program was crazy. And I think we'd done over 9,500 kilometers in a 2-week period. And it was like a sense of achievement because you see them with smiles on their face and you see the children's running, playing without fear. Yeah, it was nice to see. It made it all worth it.